passive-aggressive, pondering, posturing prostitutes, waiting for the Messiah to lead them all across miles of hot coals and hypodermics unto the morgue, dressed in the garbs of saints, no escaping the tongues of the revelator, anointing their heads with the spit of sin, warm liquid comfort, masks of human flesh stretched across the skull, the shame of the hoofed one, the shame of the horned one, smeared onto the brows of babies, the plastic model icons molten into pools. I am the battlefield man. I am the bomb site minefield man, sat quiet and tense, waiting, wound so tight, a new nuclear rage for the nuclear age. I am a machine gun man. My heart shoots bullets around my veins and arteries. My brain is a bomb shelter panic room. The assault rifle shoots beautiful bullets into my brain. Its entrance wounds are small, subliminal. Exit, a gaping crater of bloody gore, screaming suicide as the obvious and final conclusion of conclusions. Answer to the enormity of the world, full to overflowing with closet schizophrenics. Advertise the blood that you are hemorrhaging. Sell it all before it runs out and clots up. You won't have much of anything left when it's gone.